Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video we will talk about changing colors using the Hue Saturation tool in the adjustments menu. So first we get the image we will work on. So we will basically change the color of the sneaker using the Hue Saturation tool. So we unlock the image layer, then we go to the Hue Saturation tool. Then you can edit the colors from here. You keep going until you get the color you like. And you can edit the color from here too. But I prefer to leave these two options, the last two options, still. Keep them at 0 both. This option is the main one. I will get another image for more clarification. So same thing, we go to the Hue Saturation tool and we edit the color from here. And as I keep moving the cursor, I get different colors, so I select the color I like. So this is how we change colors in a very simple way. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.